Only Stormy Marks. Halfway through Stormy Marks. Stormy Marks. Finally inside. Set to go. Penultimate race. The betting is closed, then the race is on. Pair shows alertness at the start. Daluyong moving up down on the inside and followed by Tontonito Tabing Ilog in between runners moving up to take third. Then running by the rail is Grand Villa, the favorite. I Love Jane running third last. Second last, Stormy Marks as they race towards the 600. Daluyong Tabing Ilog moving up in between runners and on the outside, Tontonito as they race towards the 450. Now they are all after Tontonito. Takes up the running by out of length, then running in second, Tabing Ilog. I Love Jane moving up on the outside together is Stormy Marks. And down the stretch they go. Tontonito by about 3 lengths. Running now in second on the outside, I Love Jane. Tontonito, I Love Jane in second, but Tontonito wins the race for the ML Stable. Second, I Love Jane. Then comes Stormy Marks. Tabing Ilog close between Grand Villa and...
Okay, 6